Now that we have our mower tuned up, we're ready for the first cut of the season. I'm gonna warn you, the first cut's always the worst. I don't know why. I'm sure a golf course superintendent could explain it to you better. But I will explain. So I always start the first cut going from left to right at an angle. And every mow you should alternate, otherwise your blades of grass are gonna kind of lay down every time. And they'll start to grow in that direction if you cut it in the same direction every time. So, and especially since I've got this aftermarket striper on the bottom. So yeah, so today I'm cutting left to right, meaning I'm going to start on the left side of my lawn and then angle to the right side of the lawn. And then next week I'll go right to left. And that's how you get that checkered pattern. But also it does help to have the striper. It's nice to have a good weight. So since I started down there and then came back and then came back again, now I'm going to kind of switch over to the other side and the color patterns will be consistent. Watch. Stand here and you'll see the stripes. I'm running out of gas. Yeah. So, it's also really important to run your gas out before you store it for the winter. So I ran out of gas. It's kind of embarrassing, rookie mistake. But I don't like to keep gas in the mower over the winter, so I ran it dry and then I forgot, okay? Big deal. But, so now I'm gonna fill it up. I like to use ethanol-free gas. I don't know why. It's like a wreck fuel. They say that ethanol can gum up the carbs and all that jazz. That's carburetor for those who don't know. And just pour in a little. You don't have to top it off or anything because then it spills everywhere. You can always add more. The object is to not see that sort of dome on the surface. Okay, now we're fueled up. Okay, let's mow. Is that funny to you?
Yep.
Oh, you know what the problem is?
What?
You should have pointed this out since you filmed it.
Oh, I guess I didn't notice.
Gas was off.
Yeah.
And it was also empty.
Whatever it's called.
Petcock. Now watch this. I'm going to flip back to the other side and keep my lines consistent. It's still maintaining the pattern. Since we sharpened the blades, it's not tearing them. Look at that clean cut.
Beautiful. Nice edge.
Really nice edge. If they were dull, it would just tear them, and then once the heat sets in, they all turn brown. Yeah, so you sharpen it not to damage the grass. Goddamn squirrels. It'd be awesome to get sponsored by Honda in this video. If anybody at corporate's watching. You'll notice I keep the rotation on my cleanup passes the same as well. It'd be easier to go left, but I go right. Oh yeah. Now that I got the bulk of the lawn done, now I'm going to do my cleanup passes. And just as you do your pattern left to right or right to left, straight to front, back to left, I also like to rotate my cleanup passes. So today I think I'm going to do counterclockwise. So I'm going to do a pass around the yard counterclockwise, and then next week I'll go clockwise. You just don't want the grass to learn how to grow that direction. Otherwise you're in deep shit. And that's how you mow a lawn the proper way. Thank you.